cook and a bathroom.
I already took care of the bathroom thing. You don't want to know.
You're right. I don't. Okay, I'm pretty sure I've got it now. So, we take just a few more stops, and then we transfer to the express train downtown. Next stop, an A on your paper. Emma? Where are Emma and Ravi? Oh, no. No. Open the doors! Stop the train!
Jessie! 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 If we never see them again, can I have Emma's room? Too soon?
Ravi! Jessie will come back for us. Calm down.
Oh no! We have to get out of here!
Oh. Be careful, little boy.
By the way, nice traveling outfit.
You have very hard suspender buttons.
Yeah, now you have mine family crest stamped on your forehead.
We have to go find Jessie.
No, remember, Jessie said if we're ever lost, stay put and hug a tree.
I see no trees. May I?
Ah, your fingernails are digging into meine Lederhosen.
Okay, there's two of us and one spider. Here's the play. You charge at him, and if he goes right, you hit him with this.
Well, what if he goes left?
You hit him with this.
What if he comes right at me?
Game over.
And where are you going to be during all this?
I'm going to the movies.
Oh, no, you're not. You're grounded.
Bertram, you've already failed at life. I've still got all my failure ahead of me. See ya.
No! It might be on you!
Fritz! You're quite light on your feet for such a mountain of a man.
Danke. Would you like to try some Eisbein mit Sauerkraut?
Sure. Not bad.
What is this delightful treat?
It's my Großmutter's pickled cabbage mit pork knuckles.
And suddenly, I am full.
This puts the gross in gross mutter.